Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video on my channel. In this video I would like to show you how you can easily attach a camera in combination with a lens to the iOptron SkyGuider Pro. So the very first thing that you'll need is this adapter. So first of all you have to attach this adapter to the iOptron SkyGuider Pro. So you have to attach it right here at the front of the SkyGuider, and then you have to secure the adapter by moving this screw. Then the next thing you have to do is attaching a ball head to this adapter. If you have such an adapter, so such a ball head, you have to attach the ball head to the adapter we have attached to the iOptron SkyGuider Pro before. So you have to just simply attach that one to the adapter like this, and now it's already attached. So the next thing that you'll have to do is attaching your camera to this adapter. So I would like to show that one to you because it's easier for you to do that yourself. So in this case, I would like to do that with the Canon EOS 600D in combination with the 75 to 300mm lens. Then you have to attach the camera just to the ball head, like this. And that's actually everything that you'll have to do. Then when planning to capture deep sky objects with this astrophotography setup, the only thing that you'll have to do is to just move the camera to the object you would like to capture, like this. Then you have to secure the entire setup, and then the only thing you'll have to do is turning on the iOptron SkyGuider Pro. Then it will directly start tracking the night sky. You have to make sure that you have done the polar alignment process correctly. So you have to make sure that your iOptron SkyGuider Pro is aligned to Polaris, which is the North Star, and furthermore you have to make sure that the battery is charged and that when planning to capture deep sky objects, your mode is switched to the tracking speed that you'll need for stars. So if you're planning to do deep sky astrophotography, so you're planning to capture galaxies and nebulae, and your mount is switched to the wrong mode, then you'll get star trails in your final results, but you'll see that in the end as well. So definitely make sure that you have selected the right mode, and then you can directly start capturing images of the night sky. Something that's important for me to mention is that there's definitely a limit to this system when planning to use a ball head. So definitely you cannot attach a telescope to this ball head. Then it's a bit too heavy. But there are different options for you if you're planning to attach a telescope to the iOptron SkyGuider Pro. So this is definitely possible as well. If you're interested in attaching a telescope to the iOptron SkyGuider Pro, I will as well upload a video about that, and I will link the video right there. So if you're interested in attaching a telescope to this star tracker, definitely make sure to check out this video. If you have any further questions about attaching a camera and a lens to this star tracker, definitely feel free to ask me down below in the comments. If this video was interesting and helpful to you, I would really appreciate a like and a subscription. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, clear skies, Felix.